Hello, my name is Caitlin, and welcome to Country Kitchen Sweet Arts channel. We are a locally owned baking supply store where you can find products and ingredients for candy making, cookies, cakes, and more. In this video, I will show you how to turn the classic Christmas fruitcake into a bonbon. To make these bonbons, we used a candied fruit mix to make this a simple recipe. Check out all of our candied fruit options for your holiday desserts by visiting our website or clicking the link in the description. Let us know in the comments what recipes you like to use candied fruit in. Continue watching this video to learn how to make fruitcake bonbons. Let's get started. To make these bonbons, we will be using a dry fondant mix. Combine the dry fondant mix with melted butter and heavy cream according to the directions on the back of the package. Start mixing these ingredients with a spatula, and once it comes together, use gloved hands to knead together. Next, add 1/4 to 1/2 cup of candied fruit mix and knead into the dry fondant. Use a 1 tablespoon cookie scoop to portion each bonbon, then roll and place on a parchment-lined baking sheet. You can also add your desired type of nut, such as pecans, to this bonbon. Chop pecans into smaller pieces, then knead into the dry fondant. Scoop and roll the remaining mixture onto the sheet pan and set aside while we melt the chocolate. Melt white chocolate candy coating in the microwave using 30-second intervals. If your chocolate is a thick consistency once melted, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of Paramount crystals to make it a more workable consistency. Dip the dry fondant bonbon in the white chocolate, making sure to cover the entire ball. Scoop the bonbon out of the chocolate using a dipping fork and gently tap it on the side of your bowl to remove excess chocolate. Lightly scrape the bottom of this dipped treat on the bowl, then place on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Dip a few more bonbons, then add a few pieces of candied fruit to the top while the chocolate is still melted. After dipping the bonbons with the pecans, add a few candied fruit pieces and some chopped pecans. Repeat these steps for the remaining bonbons. Allow these to set up at room temperature for 20 to 30 minutes. Once the chocolate has set, use a clean pair of scissors or a paring knife to trim the excess chocolate. Store these in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to our channel and give this video a like. Your support will help us grow our channel and create more videos you will enjoy. Leave us a comment down below, letting us know if you found this video helpful and what recipes you like to use candied fruit in. Also, be sure to leave any questions below. And if you would like to see more videos like this one, check out the chocolate candy coating desserts playlist on our channel. Stay updated on our newest products by visiting our website and clicking on the New tab. You can also see our new products and our video reels by following us on Facebook and Instagram. Check out the description box below to find our social media links and all the products that we used in this video. We love to see your creations and how you use products from our store, so be sure to tag us in your posts. Thanks again for watching. See you next time.